Hi everyone, my name is Jessica and this is my intro video for APN 620. Just to share a little bit about me, I'm from Columbia, South Carolina. Um, we are about 2.5 hours from the beach or the mountains. I prefer the beach. My boyfriend Steven and I have been dating for 3.5 years and we have two pups, Aurora and Bentley. And for all those who have huskies out there, know they are escape artists and just full of sass. So we always have our hands full with her. Something that is important to me is spending time with my family and friends, always looking for the next adventure. And my great grandma just turned 100, so we traveled to West Virginia to celebrate her birthday with her. Some of my hobbies include currently are scrapbooking, crocheting, and travel. And I used to bowl, and that's how I met Steven. But since I bowled in mini tournaments and leagues when I was younger, it's just something that I don't have the heart for anymore. So we've had to find other things to reconnect with since bowling's out of the question. My educational background is I have a degree in graphic design and a minor in art history. Um, my professional background, I worked at Kroger while going through high school and college. I've been with Palmetto Citizens as an assistant supervisor for 8.5 years. And originally, I wasn't sure how this was all connecting, having a degree in graphic design and then working with customers and money. And I just didn't feel like I had a good direction. Well, when I started my own health journey, and over the past year and a half, was when the dots really started connecting for me. That in some of the previous classes, I've been able to use my degree to make educational handouts, and working at Kroger and the credit union has given me a lot of insight on both sides of how nutrition how people just struggle in general with either funds or groceries and things like that. At the credit union, we promote financial education, and I think that's one of the things that is near to my heart is educating people. Just I always believe people don't know what they don't know, and they can't make a change if they don't know how to. So working in the credit union, I've seen people take their accounts into the negative to pay for groceries. And then on the other hand, at the grocery store, I've seen people use food stamps and WIC and, cry when their car gets declined because they don't know how they're going to pay for their groceries. And I just feel like everybody should have nutrition and food access so that nobody has to go hungry. I think financial planning and budgeting um, is going to play a huge role in making sure families have enough to eat. That way they can plan until their next paycheck. And upon completing this program, I would like to go into the health promotion field. I want to help people treat their diseases with food rather than medicine, help them read labels, and make plans that work for them. Even if it means going to the grocery store and shopping with them. And once again, I think having that background from the grocery store and then now at the credit union, I'd be able to help them go through the grocery store, show them how to coupon, how to budget. Those are just some things that are important to me, and I feel education is going to be key to help them create a sustainable diet and show them that fad diets are unhealthy and do not give lasting results. Thank you, and can't wait to work with all of you guys.